Hello traders. Now I'm going to show you the analysis behind the booking profits on Muhurat day. You can see here on this day the market took support over our support key level, and I have marked a channel as well. On the channel also it was taking the support. When I moved on to hourly time frame, when you see on hourly time frame, you can clearly see there is a very good doji candle over here. Now, based on this doji candle, I have executed my trade over here. I kept my stop loss this level only. Now, on Muhurat day, when it opened at exactly resistance level, I started booking my profits in Nifty. Now, let's go to Bank Nifty as well. Now, you can see on the Bank Nifty also, we got a clear upside momentum, and we got a rejection from over this channel resistance, and it took support exactly from our key level itself again. Now what it is showing is on hourly time frame, again we got a doji candle. Now based on this doji candle, I have executed my trade again. I went for option selling over here, and when it opened gap up, a very good gap up on Muhurat day, I started booking my profits. This is the trade analysis behind it. A very simple logic, or you can say as very simple system. When the trade is in channel, when the market is in channel, it will be bouncing back up and down in this channel only. Now I have marked my support levels as well. Based on these support levels, and I'm getting the lower high scenarios. At the lower highs, I'm entering into my trade. The same thing happened in the Nifty as well. This is a simple trade analysis behind the Nifty and Bank Nifty trade, which I have booked almost 90k profit on Muhurat day trading. That's it, guys. If you like the analysis, a very simple analysis, please like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.